Setting up some bottle rockets to shoot off here. This will be loaded with 8,500. The launcher holds 15,000. I'm only going to do 8,500. I'm going to save the other 6,500 for tomorrow night. Anyway, you just take your magic whips across here. Very simple. Overlap the fuses. There's going to be a lot of pressure when the rockets start coming. That's just right. See, our bottle rockets are going to be setting up above the fuses. Fuses need to be a ½ inch to an inch. That's about 3/4 of an inch right there above your fuses. To keep them standing up, we're going to use hardware cloth. Just about like that. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Each hole right here. Just put them down there just like that. And load her up.
I don't know. I just curious how you light it.
Alright, we're loading this rascal up here now. We're getting close to halfway done. Ready to go. We got 8,500 bottle rockets in here, and dark is falling on us. Nighttime's coming. We're going to shoot them in a minute, and I don't know if you got the fusing system. We showed you that, but all we're going to do is like this right here, and it lights everything. And it'll last about maybe a minute and a half. But it'll be killer bad, baby! Woo! Just that easy right there. Just as easy as that.
All right, I guess we better start moving back now, huh?
All right, move back a little bit.